Want to learn how to make a rich, aromatic Thai yellow curry at home that tastes like it came straight from your favorite restaurant, but without spending hours in the kitchen? You're in the right place. This is the ultimate easy yellow curry recipe that's packed with plant-based protein, loaded with vibrant veggies, made with a secret shortcut that delivers authentic flavors in under 20 minutes. Let's hit the kitchen. First, we are going to saute our chopped carrots, red onions, and bell peppers in a little bit of olive oil. Yep, just letting those flavors build and get nice and tender. Once your veggies are vibrant and slightly softened, we're adding our protein, our fried tofu. I love using fried tofu because it acts like a sponge, y'all, perfectly soaking up all those incredible curry broth that we're about to make. Now, the secret to this elevated restaurant quality curry is all in the base. This video is partnered with Makella, and today we're using Makella's Thai yellow curry paste. I really love partnering with brands that have a story worth telling. And Makella is exactly that. It was founded by two sisters, Daphne and Diane, with a simple but powerful mission to make cooking easy, healthy, and meaningful without any compromises. They started the brand to recreate the authentic, bold flavors of the kitchens they grew up in, using only clean, organic, and plant-based ingredients. What's amazing is just how versatile their range is. Whether you're craving Thai, Vietnamese, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Singaporean, Malaysian, and or Indian cuisine, Makella offers a huge variety of Asian and Indian pastes and other organic flavors to help you prep the perfect meal. Their pastes are 100% plant-based and vegan. And they pair beautifully with whatever you're cooking, from vegetables, tofu, and tempeh to beef, chicken, or seafood. Now, today, the word Makella means goddess in Thai. And their all-female management team in Chiang Mai is leading the way in sustainability with staff who identify differently along with all walks of life. They work directly with local farmers using regenerative practices and are incredibly international about minimizing waste. It's been so rewarding to partnering with an Asian and women-founded sisters brand that is making a better Asian kitchen accessible to everyone while genuinely giving back to their community. While Makella endeavors to the highest standards, they're also mindful of keeping their products reasonably priced so more people can enjoy them, in which if you would like to give this actual recipe a try and purchase your very own Makella paste, use our unique Amazon link down below or find the paste in your local grocer by using the store locator on makellaliving.com/store locator. When you use our unique Amazon link or purchase at your local store, you're helping us by creating more videos like this one. So I would like to thank you, my aiders, in advance for subscribing, watching, and placing an order with our unique link down below. I would like to take a moment to thank our partner, Makella, the two sisters, Daphne and Diane, for letting us share their amazing story and how I can easily chase the flavors of Thailand with Makella vegan paste. And let's get back to the video. What I love about it is, besides the fact that the ingredients are super clean, like clean, I love this yellow curry paste because just like the rest of their lineup, it's completely vegan, gluten-free, organic, non-GMO, and made with pure, clean, plant-based flavors. It's literally clean. You know what I mean? Clean. To bring the whole dish together, we're pouring in 1 cup of rich coconut milk right over our sauteed veggies and fried tofu. Now, to get that perfect, authentic, sweet, savory balance, you find at restaurants, we're going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of cane sugar. Now, if you want it sweeter, you could go ahead and add another one. Just another one. Give that a beautiful stir, bring it up to a gentle simmer, and let those ingredients marry together for just a few minutes so the tofu can absorb all that delicious curry goodness. And there you have it, a comforting, healthy, restaurant quality Thai yellow curry cooked at home in minutes, always chasing the flavors. If you want more flavorful, easy recipes like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up because it helps the logarithm, and let us know in the comments below, do you prefer your yellow curry with tofu, chicken, or veggies? This is Judy Ann from justtoday.com, and we'll see you in the next one. You know what to do. Huge shout out to my own sisters who are vegan and gluten-free with celiac disease and is always looking for clean, plant-based, vegan, gluten-free Asian products. Bright lemongrass, warm turmeric, juicy chicken, and that insane umami crunch. And if you want to try this out for yourself, I've put all the details and ingredients list down below in the description box. And so, yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy, flavor-packed recipes. And let me know in the comments below if you're team furikake or team fried onions. This is Judy Ann from justtoday.com, and we'll see you in the next video. I think you know what to do.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.